What's up, everybody? If you're watching this, it's because you want to see the new equipment that we got from Slimecat. I haven't even opened the boxes up or anything yet. Completely sealed up. This one, I did go ahead and pull most of the staples out. We've got one more staple. They send them in these heavy-duty packaging, these cardboard boxes right here. And here's the last staple. Let's go ahead and roll this joker out. I mean, that's what they're putting in there, guys. They are pretty tough. I don't even know what's in here. And pop it off. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh. First rod is the new orange. This is the new orange medium heavy with the new V2 reel seats. There is a rod sock, it's probably in there though. Check it out, guys. That new V2 reel seat is super slick. Oh yeah, let me do it this way. Slimecat, baby, get some. That is bright. Oh, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Oh yeah. All right, so that's the first one. Let's see what else we got. It's like Christmas. All right, we got another orange one. All right. And we got the new green. Well, same green, but this is the V2 reel seat. This is still a 7.6 that I've been using. Slimecat. So what the difference is the new reel seat. This reel seat is a lot thicker right in here for you to put your hand on, so you can grab it and really get that grip down on it. And there's your locking nut right there. This is also medium heavy, so I requested some shorter handles because I'm kind of a smaller guy and I fish mostly lakes. I'm not fishing heavy current areas. And some of my customers, they struggle with those long handles. Your taller guys, when they come out, they don't seem to have a problem because they've got, you know, they're taller, they got longer arms and stuff like that. But we wanted this slightly shorter handle, so this is what we got. We got some of them on the medium heavies. We're gonna try them out. Another one. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies, this is for you right here. I got this one in for the ladies. Man, when them women come on the boat, they are competitive. They want to beat their guys and they want their own rods, and this is what we're gonna give them. So ladies, here's your pink rods. I mean, look at that thing. That pops right there. All these tips, they're glow tips. So same V2 reel seat with the shorter handle. Here's one with the rod sock. All right, and we got another orange one. Oh, there's something else in there too. We got another orange one. What's this one? Oh, this is the new Kayak Rod. So this is the orange 6-foot Kayak Rod. Casting. Same deal. And so this is a 6-foot Kayak Rod. And this is in the extra medium heavy. So these are gonna be my drifting rods. So, and we got our first live event coming up next weekend, March 27th, for kayaking live trail on Gaston. If you're interested in jumping in it, send me a message. Check us out, Carolina Kayak Catfishing Slayers. And let's see what this other one is in here. It's another orange rod. So, cool deal. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. We got that. And then we got this one right here. That's that. Now let's get to this other box. Let's see what's in here for me. Oh yeah, we got some new reels. What are they? What are they? What are they? All right, what's in it? What's in it? Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Bam! That's the new low profile Slimecat. They built these for the bumping reels. Man, I haven't seen one of these yet. Ooh, listen to that. Oh yeah. And we can turn it off. Super smooth. How much drag is on these things? Let's see. 13 kilograms. Okay, I don't know what that is in pounds, so whatever 13 kilograms is. But it's probably pretty good because this is the bumping reel. I'm using this for heavy current. And that thing is pretty slick looking. These are going to be my go-to for the kayak on my suspended rods. If you haven't seen any of those videos, check them out. Suspended for catfishing. Because I'll take those baits and I'll put them in their head, beat them in the head with it, and I can hit the button and then stop it with my thumb, and it's going to be hot. So anyway, thank you Ryan and Jackie, Justin. Appreciate y'all very much. And y'all check them out, slimecats.com. Go if he wants to leave you. We're gonna let this big one go. 73 pounds. Yeah, my man.
Visit King's Catfishing on Facebook to book your next